Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is my activity for enhancement 5. I'll start by adding the products path to the URL, and I got my management page. I can add a new category. I'll first validate this page. CSS3 validate, and the HTML valid. I'll try to add a new category, and I got my client-side message. I'll click on no validate, add a new category, and as you can see, I got my server-side message. I'll go back, add a new product. I'll add a name and a brief description. I'll try to add, and I got this message here. I'll add an input. Get this message here. No validate. Add an input. And as you can see, I still have my inputs that I have entered. I'll add. No validate. Add. Okay, I'll fill out the whole form. I'm gonna select a category 2, and I'll add the item, and yep, the item was added. So thank you so much. This is my enhancement activity. Thanks for watching.